So I have just left the gym and I am now at Kroger, needing to do a little bit of grocery shopping and just a little bit of like personal item shopping. So I'm going to take care of that today. What you just saw in the video from the gym was just me pretty much doing a very light routine and just pretty much starting over because I took 2 weeks off unintentionally. I had like little small mountains to climb over these past 2 weeks that created excuses for me on why I did not go to the gym or why I did not stick to my diet. None of those were like extreme excuses and, you know, extreme reasons for me to take off. I was just lazy and I just took off, and that's okay as long as it doesn't happen a lot. So today I'm going to be restarting my keto diet, and like I said, I just pretty much restarted my gym routine. I went very light. I didn't do nearly half of the stuff that I normally do. I just kind of got in and got my feet wet so that I can get reacclimated with, you know, going back and what it feels like to do things, because 2 weeks off really feels like 2 years when you're used to going like almost every single day. So yeah, we're getting ready to go into Kroger's, get some stuff for this week, and then I will see you guys when I get home. Let's go to the grocery store. This is the food prep planner that I made for myself, and it just basically outlines my intermittent fasting and what I am going to eat. Again, this is all keto. Even the cheese chips, those are made out of keto. I mean, those are keto friendly. They're literally just pieces of cheese that you bake. So don't nobody go acting crazy. But yeah, this is pretty much what I made for myself. This isn't from any like diet thing. This is just stuff that I wanted to eat and that I plan to make. So that's what we're picking up. I had to bring my water bottle in with me because the worst time to shop is when you're hungry. You really just want to grab everything because you're hungry. But being that I fast in the morning with my intermittent fasting, I am starving right now. So the water just kind of compresses my hunger. I am done getting all of my groceries. Just to quickly go over some of the stuff I got a cupcake tray because I didn't have one for some reason. I have chicken breast. I love this chicken breast. It's so easy to put in the air fryer, bake it up really quick, and well, let me explain that. Our air fryer has more than one setting, so it has like 5 different settings, but I will bake my chicken and use it for like lunch. And I make like a spinach salad, and it's so good that I have with ranch with like small bacon bits, and then I add a few more bacon bits. Sometimes I add nuts, and it's really good. They had big cheese on sale, so I also add cheese into my salad. For dinner for the next few days, I'm gonna have turkey burgers with that'll be like a leaf wrapped, so I got that, and more cheese. For breakfast, eggs, like wrapped in bacon. That's why I needed the cupcake tray, and fruit, and then sometimes like sausage and eggs and fruit, or sausage, eggs, and like spinach or whatever. And then dinner that I'm making tonight, that's gonna be really quick, is sausage, cheese, Brussels sprouts. It's gonna be really good. So that's everything that I got. I'm about to head to check out and then go home and cook and edit. Hey guys, so I just wanted to conclude this video. It got like really dark and rainy outside. I don't know what's up, but Sundays are normally really chill days for me. I am still sharing a car with my grandmother, so I'll get up extra early and go do all of that. So by the time that she's ready to leave out for church, you know, I'm done doing my running around for the day, and I've cooked and meal prepped and everything else. I will end up watching church service on my computer because I go to a pretty decent sized church, and they stream everything online. So that's how I watch church most of the time if I don't go. But outside of that, I literally just prep for my entire week and chill. That's like my entire mood for Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want more in-depth videos of like my workout routines or my meal prep routines and things like that. I'd love to share more with you guys. But until then, I will see you guys later. Bye.